Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete your Bigo Live account from your Android phone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to delete your Bigo Live account from your Android device, let's open up our Bigo app first. After opening the Vigo Live app, the interface will be similar to this with all these live hosting participants. And now to delete your Vigo account, you can see the Me option available at or the Me button available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on that Me button. And after getting to this interface of your profile, on the top right corner of the screen, you can see the profile icon and the gear icon or the settings icon. Tap on that settings icon. And over here under the settings category, you can see the account management, which is the third one just below the block list. Tap on account management, and over here this is the account binding and security management. Scroll down a little bit and you can see the account ownership option available over here, and at the below of the description you can see the delete account and an arrow icon. Tap on that delete account arrow. On this interface, you'll be required to enter your password over here under the security verification. Enter your password over here and tap on next. And after getting to this interface, you can see the confirm and continue option available over here at the bottom of the screen. Tap on confirm and continue, and you can see the delete. And I have read all these informations first, and after tapping on that agreement section of the Bigo Live, tap on delete account. And after on this interface, if you tap on the delete account over here, then your account will be permanently deleted from the Bigo's data server. And there guys, this is how you delete your Bigo Live account from your Android device. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.